Okay, now we could try to bring these few things together, all right? So this should be rock solid, and we have, and mine probably won't be. All right, let's just stop there. Stop there. Because, wow, that sounds really good, doesn't it? I mean, that's the song. That's it. You know, congratulations, man. You know, congratulations. You did it. Here we go. So I would kind of stop and pause, right? I would go, here's step one. Wait, is that all? There it is. Okay. Okay, well, the second thing is take the first finger off and then do the 7-step program again. And then chunk three is pinky, so you still have this bass. These guys stay here. And then you have your third finger on the 3rd fret of the B string, and you do the 7-step program over here with your... All right? So, you know, just stop and do that. Get that smooth. Get those 3 moves smooth. I mean, I'm chunking a lot of these notes here. Oh, sorry. Just the 3. Ow. 1, 2, 3. All right? And you want to work on that. Oh, I'm sorry, I did it again. It's just step 1, or chunk 1, chunk 2, chunk 3. All right, chunk 1, chunk 2, chunk 3. All right? This is really cool. You know, when I revisited this song to listen to what was going on, I thought, oh, wow. You know, I'll just show you in the next video, okay? And let you kind of figure it out. Basically what's happening is, you know, this cat goes here. 1, 2, 3. Wait. Okay. So the whole pattern is going to be, well, here, we'll do it here. Hold on.